Welcome to Boston, Massachusetts. I came here on vacation in summer 2023, but sadly I left something behind, and this video is all about how I got it back.
Traveling the world on planes, trains, trams, and more. Join Mark Hopwood as he shows you some of the great journeys he's made. Let's travel to a whole variety of destinations. Remember to drop your comment below, like and subscribe, turn on the notification button, and never miss a video.
So I enjoyed a fantastic few days in Boston at the Omni Parker House Hotel, a great hotel in the centre of Boston, but I checked out to head up to Maine, and I left my blue sports jacket in the wardrobe in my room. Well, when I got back to the UK, I realised I contacted the hotel. They got hold of their friends in FedEx, Federal Express, who came and picked up the package once they'd put it all together and took it on this route through Boston to the FedEx depot at Logan International Airport. And then it was a case of waiting till the next morning for a flight on FedEx, not across the Atlantic heading towards the UK, but completely the opposite direction, heading out towards Memphis, Tennessee, heading out over Pennsylvania, West Virginia, and to the north of Nashville in Tennessee and down to Memphis. It was a Boeing 757, actually an aircraft previously operated by United Airlines before conversion to a freighter.
The Memphis World Hub is huge. It's over 940 acres. It's like a small city. From the hours of 10 o'clock at night till about 4 in the morning, this is the busiest airport in the world. We have thousands of employees that are working throughout the wee hours of the morning.
Whenever people come out on a tour and they see actually what we do on a nightly basis, they're in awe. It's amazing to watch.
It's almost like a symphony. Every employee here is working in concert.
It's absolutely one of the most impressive operations, I think, anywhere on the planet.
Basically, we have two different sorts here at the Memphis World Hub. The day sort handles about 1 million packages a day. And then, of course, we've got our huge night sort. On the night sort, there's about 1.5 million packages that'll go through our sort system.
We bring in about 250 aircraft in and out of the hub in a 24-hour period. We have over 190 aircraft gates. We have the capacity to land an aircraft about every 40 seconds. Once a plane lands at the hub, we immediately begin to offload it. The size of these aircraft, they're enormous, with thousands and thousands of packages on each one, and within half an hour we have it into the belt system.
Once it gets on that conveyor belt system, we've got a team there that makes sure the label is facing up where it can be read by one of our light scanners.
So when it goes through the laser, it will read the destination, it will read the dimensions, it will read the service type, so we know when we have to deliver that package.
Once that package leaves that light curtain, there are arms that automatically push your package to the correct destination, where we've got team members ready to reload it and put it back into a container. Year after year, the hub is growing, our volume is increasing. There's a tremendous amount of technology that goes into getting packages from one point to the other point each and every night. We've got a lot of automated systems now. We've got robotic systems. We've got packages that are traveling at much greater speed.
We have about 80 miles of conveyor belts, and everything is an effort to make it a faster process.
Once a package comes off a truck or plane and is inducted into the sort system, it could be through the entire sort system in as little as 15 minutes. I think the things that give us the greatest amount of pride are the impact that these packages that we see every day have on people's lives, like critical medical packages that someone needs for a treatment the next day. Those are the things that really hit home with me.
I mean, I know there's customers that need us. At the end of the day, there's a feeling of pride, there's a feeling of accomplishment, realizing that, hey, if I've done something wonderful.
Phenomenal FedEx hub at Memphis, Tennessee, and my package was put onto the FX2 flight from Memphis that left, should have left at 4:15, left slightly later than that and headed out back across Northeast America, out over the Atlantic to Stansted Airport in London, landing at 18:46 local time. Obviously a bit of a time difference in a van. At this point, the story moves to Oxfordshire, where I live, and I'm here at home in my study. But this morning, a delivery was made to my house. You might recognise the logo. The documentation is here. So I've saved it, and I'm going to see if I can open up the box, which of course is always easier to talk about than it is to actually achieve. So I'm going to see if I can open this box that was packed in Boston in Massachusetts and see if I can check the contents. So let's have a look as we bring this little story to a close. There we are, there's the FedEx box, and oh yes, and here we are, one sports jacket which has made its way across the Atlantic. Still got my pens, and my British Airways first class pen remains in the jacket, so it's good to see that hasn't been stolen. And that's mission accomplished. One jacket that's made its way from Boston to Memphis and across the Atlantic and round the M25 out to me. Back now in my care. I hope you enjoyed that rather silly video, but an interesting story perhaps for some of you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and click the notification button so you don't miss any of the great trips Mark has coming your way on this YouTube channel.